कसोल को हम सब एक स्मोकर्स पैराडाइज कहते हैं, बट व्हाट इफ मैं आपसे कहूँ कि इसके अलावा भी कसोल में बहुत कुछ है करने के लिए। हैरानी तो इस बात की है कि हम में से बहुत सारे लोगों को पता ही नहीं है कि कसोल के पास कितनी प्यारी प्यारी जगह है घूमने को। सो हियर इज द परफेक्ट 5 डेज कसोल आइटनरी। अभी से रील को सेव कर दो बिकॉज बहुत काम आने वाली है। कसोल जाने के लिए दिल्ली से आप रात को बस लीजिए, 7 से 800 रुपए लगेंगे और अगले दिन सुबह 8 से 9 बजे तक आप आराम से कसोल पहुंच जाएंगे। रेस्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट हाफ एंड इन द इवनिंग गो शॉपिंग ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ कसोल। इट्स अ मस्ट विजिट शॉपिंग प्लेस इन कसोल फॉर ऑल द बजट्स। Must visit this cafe top there for the best ambience and food. Start your day to morning by visiting Holly Manikaran Sahib, just 20 minutes away from the main Kasol market. This place is the home to natural hot springs, and bath and visit here are surely the peaceful things you will ever do. After visiting this place on the same day, pack your bag and travel to this offbeat village Tosh, just 1.5 hours away from Kasol. Walk through the Parvati River, local cafe hopping, tasting Israeli food, visit Tosh Mandir, etc. are the best things you can do in Tosh. On day 3, if you can trek, must trek to Kutla village. It's a 1-hour trek from Tosh through several streams from Tosh River. You can also camp here overnight if you wish to. If not, go back to Tosh by the evening. On day 4, go to village Kalga, and I have to say this village is one of my personal favorite in Himachal. It's a 20 minutes drive from Tosh till Barshani and hike for more 20 minutes to reach Kalga. Book a homestay there starting from just ₹800 onwards. If you want to spend a peaceful time with lush green environment in mountains, this place is definitely for you. Walk around, explore the beautiful place. Must go on a 15 minutes walk to village called Pulga, and must visit this cafe called Soul Kitchen because it is not just famous on Instagram, but they also serve the delicious food. Like this, you can end your trip here and go back to Delhi next day. Save and share this reel with your friends and